What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and I'm back once again with a summer buster. And here I'm talking about none other than Rayhaan's Pacific Aura. And Aura is a perfume from Rayhaan's Pacific line. They have a perfume called Pacific, which is very similar to Invictus Aqua, I think, or the original Invictus from the house of Paco Rabanne. But here, this one, Pacific Perfume Aura, is a true heat buster. So if you're looking for something to beat the heat out there, then you can try Pacific Aura. And let me tell you, before I start the review, that this is a great alternative of Louis Vuitton's Pacific Chill. So if you cannot afford the original Pacific Chill, try out Rayhaan's Pacific Aura and you will be loving it. So let's start the review, and as always we will start with the presentation first, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So you will get this perfume in this typical signature Rayhaan box. The only difference is the color gradient from green to blue, which make it really cool. And then here this cutout for the branding Rayhaan, nothing in the back, logo of Rayhaan in Arabic in the side, a golden sticker here with the name Pacific Perfume Aura from the house of Rayhaan, and all the ingredient details, manufacturing date and batch code in the bottom. So this is the box, and now let me show you the bottle. And the bottle really looks so beautiful and sexy. So here you go. This is the bottle of Rayhaan's Pacific Perfume Aura, and you can see how beautiful the gradient looks from green to blue. It looks so cool and fresh and uplifting, and see this beautiful engraving in the back. This is not new, this engraving is not new, but with this color and with this clarity, it looks really nice. And Rayhaan have improved something. They are coming now with this great magnetic caps. So you'll get this metallic golden cap with the logo of Rayhaan on the top, the initials of Rayhaan on the top, and beautiful golden atomizer, and which smells really refreshing and nice. So this was about the presentation, and now let's talk about the fragrance. So let me give you the notes breakdown first, and then I will try to explain you that how this one actually smells. So as per the official website of Rayhaan, in the top you will get citron, mint, orange, lemon, blackcurrant and coriander. In the middle you will get apricot, basil, carrot seeds and May rose. In the base you will get fig, dates and ambrette, musk ambrette, I think, or this is what they want to say. So this is the official notes breakdown. Very similar to the original LV's Pacific Chill. Not very similar, it's exactly the similar notes breakdown, same as Pacific Chill. So Rayhaan don't want to hide it actually. They are really open for their inspiration. So let's talk about the fragrance of Pacific Aura. So let's talk about the feel of this perfume. So this one is really fresh, bright, uplifting, cool and relaxing. This is actually a heat buster type of fragrance. This fragrance actually is all about citruses, mint and ambroxan. Have you guys ever tried Bulgari's Tiger? I'm sure you have tried that perfume. If not the original one, I'm sure you have tried some alternatives of that perfume. So do you remember ambroxan used in Tiger? Very similar ambroxan is used here in this perfume that provides that ambergris type of salty, aquatic, oceanic type of vibe here. So a lot of citruses, a lot of mint and a lot of ambroxan. Then you will also get a very light blue, aquatic, oceanic kind of vibe here. But that blue factor is not very strong, it's not very prominent. It's there little in the back and very light, providing that very nice blue aquatic feel to these citruses, mint and ambroxan. Overall very refreshing and very bright type of scent. Along with this blue aquatic feel, you will also get very light but beautiful blackcurrant and fig here. So this is the opening. You will get citruses, a lot of mint, a lot of ambroxan, some blue feel here with that salty aquatic vibe with some blackcurrant and some fig. So this is how exactly this perfume smells. This is the main structure of this perfume. Imagine yourself having a mojito while swimming in a cold ocean, in a cold sea. So this is the feel you will get from this perfume. Once you start using this perfume regularly and you give some time to this perfume to grow on you, then you will start to notice and feel that some fine nuances in this perfume. For example, you will start to get that very nice spicy coriander here, and then you will get some green basil feel in this perfume. So it becomes a little bit green. You start to enjoy that coriander with all those citruses, ambroxan and mint. Overall, an amazing freshie. You can see the dent in this bottle. I have used it a lot in 1 week because I'm really loving it. It's very refreshing, especially in these hot summer days. So this was about the fragrance. Inspiration is something I have told you already. Louis Vuitton's Pacific Chill. And now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. Let's talk about performance. Because it's a freshy perfume, it's very airy, very refreshing, very uplifting, a lot of citruses, and citruses are very fragile notes. So the same thing goes here. The solid performance you will get from this perfume is around like 4 to 5 hours with 7 to 8 sprays. Being a freshie, this is really good. I really don't care. I can refresh my perfume every 3rd or 4th hour. I am okay with it. I'm good with it as long as the perfume smells nice and good. So for me, 4 to 5 hours of solid performance. After that, you can always refresh your perfume. Otherwise, you can do like 12 or 14 sprays. And if you're staying indoors, it will be good for you for the next like around 8 to 9 hours. It's totally up to you how you want to use this. For me, I do like 6-7 sprays, and then every 3 to 4 hours, I'm going to refresh it because I love that refreshing feel of this perfume, which is coming from this perfume. So this was about the performance. Performance is good being a freshie. So now let's talk about gender, a pure masculine scent. Ladies, it's not going to suit on you. So this is for gents. For the age group, no age barrier. Anyone can use it. Even if you're a teenage boy, you're a young boy, you're a school going boy, or if you're working in a corporate sector, this perfume works everywhere. In your sports activities, in your gym, wherever you want, whenever you want. It's like a daily kind of scent. Now let's talk about the season or weather. Definitely for summers. This perfume is not going to work very well in winters. A pure summer scent. And now let's talk about the occasion. So for the occasion, you can use this perfume in any kind of scenario. It's picnic, it's your office, it's your school, college, club, whenever you want, wherever you want. This is a very fresh type of DNA which can be used in any kind of scenario, in your gym, in your sports activities, anywhere. So this is about occasion. Rock whenever you want, wherever you want. And now let's talk about the main thing, the price. So you'll get this perfume in 100 ml quantity with Eau de Parfum concentration. And the current price of this perfume inside UAE is 70 UAE dirhams. And the Pacific Chill is, I think, more than a couple of thousand dirhams. So this is not even a fraction of the price, you know. So for me, this is really good and I'm really loving it. So this was about Pacific Aura from the house of Rayhaan. I hope you like this review. Do check it out if you like Pacific Chill. Right now, this perfume is out of stock inside UAE on the official website of Rayhaan, but it's available on some other reputed resellers. Once you're going to Google this perfume inside UAE, you will find it on, I think, on Samawa, and there are some more reputed resellers where you can find this perfume. I think this is also available on Amazon. Otherwise, you can wait until they restock this beautiful perfume on the original website of Rayhaan. So this was my review about Pacific Perfume Aura. I hope you liked it. I'm going to catch you in another review of some another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.